Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Cooper gas cap. First, make sure your car is unlocked. The fuel door is on the passenger side, near the rear. Gently press the rear edge of the fuel door. It should pop open with a soft click, revealing the gas cap underneath. Once the fuel door is open, you'll see the gas cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise. You'll feel it loosen and then spin freely. Keep turning until it's completely detached. Most Mini models have a small hook or holder on the fuel door where you can conveniently hang the cap while you refuel. Now you can insert the fuel nozzle and begin refueling your Mini. Once you're finished, remove the nozzle carefully. To replace the gas cap, screw it back on clockwise. You should hear at least 3 distinct clicks, indicating it's securely tightened and sealed. This prevents fuel vapors from escaping. With the gas cap securely tightened, it's time to close the fuel door. Simply push the door gently until it clicks firmly into place. Make sure it's flush with the car's body to maintain aerodynamics and a clean look. You're all set to continue your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.